All right, I apologize if I brought back your elementary woes of long division, but we're done with that. Next is synthetic division. And this one is kind of fun. This one's much easier to do. It's just a pattern, so we're gonna try it out here. All right, note that the leading coefficient of the divisor is 1 and that a is the 0 of the divisor. So when we do synthetic division, first step is to make this little L shape. The number on the outside becomes what makes this factor 0. So in this case, it is 3. So notice I did not put -3. I switched the sign. Okay, switch the sign. Common mistake. Next, I want to line up all of the coefficients. So I have an x cubed term. If I had an x to the 4th term, I would start there. An x squared term, an x, and a constant. In this example, 2 is the leading coefficient for x cubed. Then we have -7. There is no x term, so we're going to put a 0 there for the missing term. So if it's missing, it's not there, so it's 0. And then -4 as our last number. We're going to bring down our 2. And then we're going to multiply the outside. So 3 times 2 is 6. So put your answer right there. And then add straight down. So -7 plus 6 is -1. And then we're going to repeat. 3 times -1 is -3. 0 minus 3 is -3. -3 times 3 is -9. Add straight down to get -13. The last term is always my remainder. So then I'm left with 2x squared minus x minus 3 minus 13 over, now we have to go back to what we were dividing by originally, and that becomes our denominator. So our denominator is not 3, it's actually x minus 3. So many people, once they have some practice at this, find synthetic division to be much easier than long division.